Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. We have some empty highlights, and you all like this video of the highlights more, so we're going to do the same thing. So I have a few things that I have emptied that I just want to come to my fam and let you know, would I repurchase, would I not? Just give you some of my real thoughts on some of these products. So first, let's get into, I have a candle that I wanted to highlight from the Bath & Body Works, but this is Main Street Bakery. Have you all seen this, heard about this? This is that banana kind of cake-like candle. And this has fresh bananas, vanilla wafers, and cinnamon sugar, okay? This is so good. Okay, just think of like, almost like a banana, maybe a banana bread or bananas Foster or something like very caramelized, or like if it gets warm, that it just smells so good. Like I just think of like banana bread, right? Banana bread, maybe some cinnamon or nutmeg, or I don't know how y'all make banana bread. I'm not a baker, so I don't know how y'all make it. But to me, the smell gives me like that cake-like banana scent. It is so good. It's so good when you burn it. So if Bath & Body Works has Main Street Bakery, I would absolutely repurchase and would highly recommend you purchase if you like a good banana scent. Now, if you don't like banana scent, don't even look at this. You're not gonna like this. It's not for you, okay? But if you don't mind a good like banana bread, banana cake type scent, this is so good. I would highly recommend. Next up, I have a lot of like facial products that I was able to get rid of. So I have Fresh, okay, and this is the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely. But I would repurchase this on a discount. Like, I would not get this at full price, but if it was a good discount at Ulta and they had this, I would absolutely pick this up. I love the smell of this. It smells like roses. It just smells like your face went through like a facial spa bath. I love this toner. I believe it worked with me well. I mean, my skin is really cool. I mean, I think I have like a little pimple going on. I don't know what that's about. I digress. But this is so beautiful and it feels good. And even though it has like the rose petals in this, I love the packaging of like when it's in here, when the juice is in here or the product is in here. I love how the rose petal kind of floats, but it just feels so good on my skin. I would absolutely repurchase this. It definitely brings hydration to your face, and just, I love it. I love the way that this made me feel. So absolutely a repurchase. So on the toner train, we also have Oilic Hendrickson, and I'm not going to stay here long because I've talked about this 100 times, but this is the dark spot toner. This is what I use for the nighttime, and I did repurchase a toner, or this toner, for my collection because of course I ran out of it. But this is for my night routine, okay? This is my nighttime toner, but I absolutely love this. I do have like, I wouldn't say a lot of imperfections, but this definitely has kind of dwindled down or blended with my skin, if that makes like it really does kind of, I wouldn't say like remove, but it makes your skin tone kind of like the same color, if that makes sense. I don't know what the word is for it. Professionals, comment down below. Let us know. But it definitely makes my skin, I feel like, kind of makes it one color. Like the tone of my face just becomes like one and complete. Anyway, it's good, okay? And it definitely has like a glow, hydration. This is really good. If you're looking for a good night routine, a toner for the nighttime, this is a good product to get. Highly recommend. And to continue on the toners, clearly I use a lot of toners, but this one is the Watermelon Glow, and this is from Glow Recipe. I use this. This is my travel toner. So I talked about this. I actually got a full bottle of this toner, and I also got a travel size so that I can travel with this toner on my trips coming up. But anyway, this smells so good. Oh man, I love this watermelon smell. I love the hydration that it gets. This is good. So this is my day toner. This is the toner I use for the daytime. So it's been really good. I love Glow Recipe products. It hasn't broke my face out. I have sensitive skin, so this is actually really good. If you have sensitive skin, this is a great toner, and it smells good. It smells like watermelon. Allez. Smells so good, so I would highly recommend you get your coins and your hands. If you're looking for a toner, on Glow Recipe is a really good one. Next up, I believe I got this product at Ross, but this is the True Botanica. This is the Nourishing Cleanser product. It says Renew on here. Now, would I repurchase this? No. But do I like True Botanical brand? Absolutely. I had this oil. I actually need to get it back. Can't think of the name off the top of my head, but it was so good. Really, really good. Great oil. Great. Look at my past videos. I talk about it in depth. So good. Anyway. This was okay. Like, it did not foam. I really like a cleanser that foams. I'm sorry, I've talked about this before. If you like, oh, sis, that doesn't necessarily mean it's, cleaning. I like the experience of a foam cleanser. I just like that. But this was okay. I would not repurchase this. This would not be something I'm like seeking out for. But it was okay. It was a cleanser, so my skin was clean, I guess. But I really like to see the foaming and it just lathering up. I just like to see that. It just makes me feel like it's working. Even if it's in my mind, it just makes me feel good, okay? But I would not repurchase this, but I was glad that I was able to try it, and it was at a really good deal. I forgot the price it was, but it was at a really good deal, so I don't mind it, but I wouldn't seek out for it. Like, if it was the only thing that I could purchase, I wouldn't mind getting it, but there's other better products. Let's just say that. Moving on. Another product is Belief. Oh my goodness, this is the moisturizing balm. Ooh, fam, this was so good. I enjoyed this. I enjoyed this in the daytime, the nighttime. This is a great moisturizing product. So if you're looking for a facial moisturizer that's not so heavy weighted, but is impactful, really, that works basically, this is a really good one. Highly would recommend this. I would definitely repurchase this. I will keep repurchasing this. I will be repurchasing this, but I do have some moisturizers that are in my rotation, so I won't repurchase this yet. But in the future, near future, yeah, this will be back in my collection sooner than you think. Moving on. Another product, I've talked about this body butter before, and it's so oily, so good, smells very good. But this is the Kapari. So if you ever see this on a discount, I would highly recommend you get this body butter. And this is the Ultra Restore body butter. This also has hyaluronic acid in this and the vanilla scent. It's so good, you all. The vanilla scent that's in this is so good. Now, if you see this and it's busted and disgusted, and because I used it and it's done and I use the mess out of it. It's gone. But I would highly recommend this. It is so good. It's not too oily on your skin. I love how it feels on my skin. It feels luxury, but not at a steal luxury price, right? This is like a steal deal for a luxury like store brand product that you can get. Like I've even seen this at TJ Maxx. I've seen this at Ross one time. So you can get this at some other. This is so good. If you see, I like Kapari products, period. But if you see this body butter somewhere, pick it up. Again, it gives you a luxury feel. And I am body butter queen. I got all types of body butter. It's kind of ridiculous. But I can moisturize the entire world, basically. But I love that. Again, the pricing of it is not bad. I feel like I paid maybe under $20 for this, maybe $20. But like, you would get like a luxury body butter at like $65, $70, $80 comparison to a 20. Like, it is good. Okay, so again, if you see this in your stores anywhere and it's on a discount, I would highly recommend you get this product because it is amazing. Would I repurchase? Absolutely. All day, every day, I will repurchase after repurchase after the repurchase. All day, I will repurchase this. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have a Sol de Janeiro body spray, and this is Do Not Disturb. Now, I will say I did not enjoy this until the end of this, okay? I don't know if it was the season or just because I was in this clean, fresh phase, but like it took me quite a while to get rid of this. If you all are into Sol de Janeiro, you know the Do Not Disturb. It was probably like maybe 2 years ago. I have no idea, but it took me quite a while to get rid of this. However, I wish they would bring this back. I'm now at a point, I've used it and I'm like, ooh, I really want this back. This is so good. A great easy reach, fresh, and it's not baby powder, right? This has some fruits in it. I believe it has pear in it, actually. Let me see. I believe it has pear. Maybe not. Oh, it has mimosa flower. We have warm musk, fresh linens, and soft vanilla. Maybe it's the vanilla. Oh, I thought it had pear in it. Either way, this is so good. And like I said, fresh, but not like baby powder. So yeah, like linen, like almost like Bath and Body Works has white t-shirt, almost like that. But with that floral note, it gives it a little bit more of a punch. But I love this. If I could have this again, I would absolutely repurchase this. This was kind of like one of those limited editions, here today, gone tomorrow. So I hope it's here again in the future, and then it'll be gone next day because I would have added this to the cart. It would be at my house. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, we have probably it's definitely discontinued, but one of my favorite moisturizing body washes from Bath and Body Works, the scent wise. Yeah. It's the Winter Berry Wonder. I love this. Like, you all have seen this. Again, I purchased a whole bunch of these. So I'm getting it down, but I love this, okay? It smells so good. Notes we have ruby, frost, winter berry. We have sparkling cranberry and crystal vanilla, okay? But this is so good. I feel like I can wear this not even just in the winter season, like over the holiday. I feel like I can wear this all season long. Like, I wouldn't feel like this is too heavy for spring or too heavy for summer. This is such a good scented moisturizing body wash. I love this down. I love how this feels. This actually is what started me loving the moisturizing body wash from Bath and Body Works. This actually started me on that kit. So I love this down. Highly would recommend, but I think this is discontinued because I found this one in which I haven't gone in such a long time, but my outlet Bath and Body Works, that's where I got this. So highly would recommend. If you see it or if it comes back, it's a good one. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my empties highlights. Okay, what have you been rocking and rolling with? I would love to know some of the products that you have used up. Comment down below. Let me know what are some of the things that you have enjoyed, or maybe you didn't enjoy it. Okay, I want to know that too, because maybe I don't have to get that. I'll get this, but not that. Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.